everybody. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really do appreciate the support. Today I'm creating this eye look for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how to create this look, then please stay tuned and watch this video. So I've done my eyebrows. I've added concealer under the eyebrows and a lighter concealer in the form of a cut crease. So what I'm gonna do now is to set the concealer with my banana powder by Fenty. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to be going in with this shade called Perfectionist. And I'm going to use that shade as my transition color. And I'm gonna be just blending that slightly above the crease.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly.
So I'm gonna take the shade Comfort Zone, kind of darken that crease. We're going to go into this color called G Money. Pack it into the corner and just extend it, blending it into the crease. Get the crease a little darker. Do the same for the other side. Pack it on the edge. Just blend. So now what we're gonna do is to get a flat brush and go into this shade, Living My Best, this shade here. And so we're gonna pack it on. So now what we're going to do is to spray a little bit of Huda Beauty's Extra Hold Finishing Spray. It's called Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit into the cover and dip the brush in there. And then I'm going to dip it back into Living My Best Life and pack it on. Now we are going to use Temptress, which place that in the corner.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
G Money, and kind of try to blend the two together.
Like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly.
Just to clean up some of that, make some of that red be more pronounced, and then pat some of it there at the end to blend with some of that black so that it will transition. We're gonna add some of the Anastasia loose highlighting powder. There we go.
I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.
Just to make some of that pop.
Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a
And
better
bring it to the red. So what I'm gonna do first is to take some of that red that we have on the brush still and just add it to the bottom lash line.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been
And we're just using whatever is left over from
taking a moment to rest, feeling
on the brush.
stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off. So
We are going to get a black eyeliner. This black eyeliner from Makeup by Mario, and run it along the waterline.
you can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Same for this side.
Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in
Then we're gonna take the brush and smudge the edges of it, smudge it into the lower lash line.
truth. I when I speak it don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets hard.
to spray some of that Huda Beauty spray in there and dip the concealer brush very thin, and we're gonna dip some of that into the glitter and press it and press it in. Hopefully it will stay so that when I'm putting on the foundation it will not just all erase. Some may erase, but just not all. We're gonna use the Il Makiage eyeliner. Gonna create kind of like a cat eye. Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. Okay. So we're using the Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Lashes Mascara, Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. We're gonna see if we can add glitter by ColourPop. This is what the glitter looks like. And just pulled up to the house. See if we can stamp it out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can.
Now that I have my eyes and my eyebrows complete, I'm going to go off camera, put the rest of my face together, and I'll return to show you the final look. So this is the end of my red eye look for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed creating this look, and I'm hoping that it's something that you'll try. Hit the comments below. Let me know if you're gonna try this look for Valentine's Day or for maybe going out to a party. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, but hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And see you next time.